up their third victory in the first half of the split. Parallel convergence stuns up the Copenhagen walls, and Freeze gets frozen out of this game. Unlimited will get dropped as the Super Minions are on the Nexus turret. Pick up their third win in summer. While they're going to go for the fight, Power Beaver's going to get caught out and he is down. One of the damage effects from Unicorns is out and Vardax is falling low.
Ding, 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 ding.
Nice!
And they're going
Giants hit their power spike and they crush the Unicorns. The headbutt pulverized combo, Betsy spur rushing away with Expector out. Can Niels clean up? And the simple answer is yes. Origin, hold on to third.
How sorry will you be right now, huh?
Yeah, what do you do?
And oh, look at this, dude.
Oh my god, amazing. Can you put the volume of Amazing lower?
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Pepman go back to base and suddenly HK, they open it. Oh! Right over! Are you serious?
Yeah, we can.
Rumble, let's go.
Go.
Rek'Sai.
Don't go too deep, don't go too deep, don't go too deep.
Rek'Sai and go Nash.
9-0, tied their 2013 record. Dexter looks for Fox, who goes golden. Nip has to flash out, he's gonna go down in favor of Elements. The spears were ripped out, the fight has started. SK are starting to melt. And in an outright back and forth slugfest, Elements have taken down SK Gaming.